If you like what we do at Life on Pig Row, don't forget to like and subscribe after this video. Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row, and today we're answering a viewer's question. It's a question from Kelly, and she wants to know how to prepare a veg patch for overwinter crops. So today I'm going to show you how first to prepare it, and then in the next film we're going to look at planting winter onions. So this is our new veg patch which we used this summer at the top of the garden. Just to give you an idea what's been in here, we've had potatoes in here followed by a quick crop of radish. Now what we're going to do now is obviously the weeds are sprouted up because we've had a wet couple of weeks, so we need to clear all this, and the only way to do that is to get on your hands and knees and get on with it. Now I'm hearing you ask, but what tools do we use? You don't need anything heavyweight. You don't need to get a garden fork out, you don't need to get a garden spade out. One of my favourite tools at the moment is this. This is a cultivator from Wolf Garten. It's only small, you can fit it to a long handle if you want, but it does the job. It rakes up the weeds, it breaks up the earth. But if you want to go old school, and I still like going old school, hand fork, hand trowel, and for any really stubborn roots or weeds or plants that may be in there that you need to cut back first, a pair of secateurs. That's it. And also, do not forget, you need something to put them in. And I like these pop-ups because they're really easy to carry around when you've got disability, and you can drag them. Now, you could just plant straight into that and take your luck. But you remember, I've had potatoes in there, and potatoes are hungry, hungry plants. I could add some garden compost now, just rake it in as I've raked over the top. But this is a new bed. It used to be a lawn, so I'm not going to go for that. I'm going to go for an alternative, and it's called blood, fish and bone. And I'm going to sprinkle that on the surface, and I'm going to rake that in, and this will give plenty of nutrients to whatever I'm going to plant in there. As you can see, it's just a handful, and sprinkle it on the surface. Join me next time and I'll show you how to plant winter onions in this bed.